Neal Schaffer here. I cannot wait to meet you at Content Marketing World. Believe it or not, this is my first time presenting, my first time attending. So if you've never gone before, join me. We will learn and network together. Anyways, I am going to be talking on the exciting topic of reverse engineering your competitor's social media content strategy. Content marketing is all about being data-driven. We're data-driven in many of the things we do, but when it comes to social media content, we might be missing out on something really, really important. That is our competition. Our competition spends maybe more money than we do, especially if we add up all of our competitors. Their social media content budget is probably way more than ours, and therefore they're doing more, investing more, might have more experience, and there's a lot of takeaways that we can glean from looking at their social media content strategy. But what is their social media content strategy? Well, you'll have to come to my session on reverse engineering your competitor's social media content strategy to find that out. This is based on actual client work, and I really can't wait to reveal it to you. This is going to be my first time presenting on this topic ever, anywhere in the world. Only first at Content Marketing World. I will see you there.